Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine, and there are a couple leaks here, and so to fix this leak, we just tighten these these bolts a little bit. Make sure if you ever tighten them to not tighten them too tight. If you don't just get them snug a little bit and it doesn't stop the leak, then you need to replace the gasket in here. But you can see I'm giving it, some stress. You can see I'm giving it so much stress that it pulls apart, but yet it's not leaking. And I also fixed a leak here at the steam. You can see it's not leaking. I just had to tighten this nut a little bit. Again, don't over tighten it. If it still leaks, then there's a gasket in here that needs to be replaced. And I also replaced a leak on the bottom. And I am just waiting. There's a little bit moisture because it got wet down there, so it's not leaking right now, but you do see a little bit of moisture, and so I'm just going to leave it overnight and make sure that it doesn't leak. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Doing it with the one-handed pull here while I hold the iPad in the other hand. All right. Just gonna look here. Make sure it's not leaking. Looks good. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.